Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to include a JavaScript into HubSpot. It's just later, for instance, you want to troubleshoot the way to add JavaScript into HubSpot. Later, for instance, we have module here, HTML, where we put our HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So later, for instance, you get some code on CodePen, also from CodePen, and then you're just migrating the script, and then paste there. After that, you try to preview. You can see the code is working as per the uh, the code pen test. So we have we just this drop down here pop up. So you can see it's working the same. So in case if you try you test and then the stuff is not working, what you do is get the script and make sure the script like this we have here to be under we're calling it require underscore gs, and then script. You can paste your code there, and this one here comes on top. You publish, and then let's preview, refresh. You can see it's still working there. Yeah, so sometimes if the script that you did put from to the modi.js doesn't fire, so it's better to just wrap it up inside uh, the require underscore js, and then here you have to end require underscore js. You put the script there, then you paste your code there. You see, and then here you can put your other JavaScript, the main JavaScript there. So this is the best way to, in case if you have a problem with this panel with Modi.js, in case if it doesn't work. So this is always work this side here using these things, because with this one here is going to take this code and then inject it properly to the straight to the footer of the HTML body element. Okay, great stuff. Thank you so much.